Welcome back, children. Do you remember what we discussed in the last class? Yes. So we discussed about the dispersion of light. So and how it takes place in a glass prism. Now let us move on to our next topic, that is lenses. What is a lens? A lens is a transparent medium which refracts or which is bounded by two surfaces. A lens is a transparent medium, transparent refracting medium bounded by two surfaces. Can you see this, children? Yes, this is a lens. So this is a convex lens and this is a concave lens. You might be wondering what is convex, what is concave. We will discuss about this later. Now let us know what is lens. So lens is a transparent refracting medium bounded by two surfaces. So here in this you can see two surfaces very clearly. So this is called as a convex lens. And in this lens you can see the two surfaces. So it is also a transparent medium which is bounded by two surfaces. Now, what if the surface is when both or one of the surface is spherical? When both or one of the surface is spherical, you call it as a spherical lens. So we are going to discuss about spherical lens. So there are two types of spherical lens. One is concave lens and the other one is convex lens. So this is concave lens and this is convex lens and this is concave lens. Now here you can see the picture very clearly, children. This is convex. Since both the surfaces are convex, you call it as double convex lens. Here in this picture, one is plane, the other one is convex. So you call it as plano-convex lens. And both the surfaces are curved, you call it as converging meniscus. Now, can you guess about concave? Yes. So this is concave lens where two surfaces are concave, you call it as double concave. One is plane, one is concave, you call it as plano-concave lens. When two are curved, you call it as diverging meniscus. I hope I am clear up to here. So once again, a lens is a portion of transparent refracting medium bounded by two surfaces. When both the surfaces or any one surface is spherical, you call it as spherical lens. And in spherical lens, there are two types. One is convex, the other one is concave. Here, we are going to learn some definitions. You have to understand these definitions very clearly, children. So, please concentrate here. So, here, the first definition, what we are going to learn is center of curvature. So, what is center of curvature? Here, you can see two spheres. I think it is very clear, children. So, here, you can see two spheres. And in between, I have shown a violet color line. This curved surfaces indicates it is convex. In this sphere, if you see, you can see this one which is with pink color. So this is concave. Now, what is center of curvature? Center of curvature is the center of the sphere. Once again, center of curvature is the center of the sphere in which the lens is a part of it. If you take only this sphere, the lens will be the part of this. So, center of curvature is center of the sphere in which the lens is a part of it. If you take this sphere, this side will be the lens. If you take this sphere, this side will be the lens. So that is nothing but called as center of curvature, which is indicated by C1 and C2. C1 center of curvature for the sphere. Okay children, have you understood what the center of curvature is? Here also same. For this sphere, center of curvature is this one, and for this sphere, center of curvature is this. So what is center of curvature? Center of the sphere in which the lens is a part of it. This is a convex lens, and here concave lens is also part of the sphere. Okay. Now let us go on to the next one, that is radius of curvature. So what is radius of curvature? Radius of the sphere. So radius of curvature is same like center of curvature, that is radius of the sphere in which the lens is a part of it. Same. Instead of center of curvature, we are keeping the word as radius of curvature. That's it. So radius of curvature is a radius of the sphere in which the lens is a part of it. Now let us move on to the third one, that is principal axis. So what is principal axis? The line joining the two center of the spheres. Okay, here I have shown the dotted lines. I think you can see very clearly children. For this sphere I have shown the dotted line, and for this sphere also I have shown the dotted lines. So the principal axis is nothing but the line joining the two center of curvature of the spheres. Okay, now next one is optical center. What is optical center? It is a special point on the principal axis. Okay, this point is called as optic center. The special point on the principal axis is nothing but optical center, and optical center is when a line passing through the optical center. So this is optical center. I have drawn a line which is passing through optical center. The line passing through the optical center moves in a straight path. What is optical center? The special point on the principal axis. A line which is passing through optical center moves in a straight path. So this is nothing but called as optical center. So whenever you are drawing, next you will be learning about the ray diagrams. So there you have to mention compulsory the principal axis you will be drawing, and you have to mention the optical center of the lens. Now let us move on to the last definition, that is principal focus. So you can see here I have drawn two diagrams. So what is this children? This is concave. This is convex. Very good. So this is convex and this is concave. So to know what is the principal focus, you should understand this. When a beam of light rays, I have drawn some 4 rays here. When the beam of light rays falls on the lens, it converges or diverges at a point on the principal axis. Once again, when a beam of light rays passes or falls on the lens, it converges or diverges at a point on the principal axis. So that point is nothing but called as principal focus. So here, why I have shown here, this is a convex lens. So convex is nothing but converging when discussed. Means the beam of light rays has fallen on the lens and all the rays have converged at one particular point on the principal axis. That point is the principal focus of the convex lens. Now coming to the concave lens, concave is diverging. Means when a beam of light rays falls on the concave lens, it diverges. Means it gets scattered. It will not form. When you extend that, I have shown you here with the dotted line. So when you extend all the beam of light rays, those all rays also fall at one particular point on the principal axis. That point is called as principal focus. I think you have understood. Once again, beam of light rays passing parallel to the principal axis. This is the principal axis. These are all the rays which are passing parallel. So, beam of light rays passing parallel to the principal axis. They converge or diverge at the point on the principal axis. That point is called as principal focus. Now, the distance between the principal focus and the optical center of the lens is called as focal length. The distance between the principal focus and the optical center of the lens is called as focal length. So, read the textbook, children, so that you can understand very clearly. In our next class, we will discuss about the 3 special rays of lenses and also the ray diagrams. Thank you, children. Have a wonderful day.